Kia ora whānau, Etienne here. Today I'm going to be going through how to prepare a garden bed. So what we wanted to do at Pourewa, we're trying to give out a few veggie starts to whānau so that hopefully during this lockdown period you'll be able to plant your own kai, harvest and eat your own kai, and then hopefully use the scraps from that to put into a compost to put back into your māra or your kai garden. So in a few simple easy steps I'm going to show you how to prep a garden bed for veggie plant starts. So step one, what we do, this bed's pretty good, but if you see any excess weeds, what we want to try and do is get out as many weeds from the garden bed as possible. This just makes it easier while you're planting and it helps you out for maintenance in the long run. Step two, you're going to do is you want to lightly scour or just rough up the surface of your māra. So what this is doing is this is breaking up any bits of compactness in your garden, so it's going to make it easier for you to plant into. So if you don't have a fork like I do, you can use a spade, a trowel, a kitchen knife, or even your hands. Make sure you wear gloves. Okay, so I'll just rake that back out lightly, nice and quickly. You don't have to be perfect with it, just get it to a nice even level. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just how to prep your spacing. So with this we're going to look to plant silver beet on this side and some spring onion and herbs on that side. So what I'll do, just using anything that I can find around the māra, I'm just going to cut a quick line in the middle, and this is just basically defining veggie or raised lines in your māra. Okay, now that you've got that done, you've got it cleared of weeds, you've got it lightly scoured so that it's easy and uncompacted. Now that you've got your two rows defined, for this one we're going to be planting silver beet, which grows quite tall as we know whānau, so I'm going to make the spacing around 450mm to 500. And for this one, obviously because it's going to be spring onions, we're just going to do small holes, about 200 to 300 mil apart. Now what I will say is if you do have access to compost or any blood and bone or any organic kai, mix it in with the soil as you're scouring it. This will just boost your plants and give them that extra bit of zhuzh before they go into the ground and to help them on their growth process. So there you have it, whānau. Nice easy steps of how to prep a garden bed. Stay tuned for more videos on how to plant your māra with the veggie starts we'll be handing out and how to maintain them. Kia ora whānau, Etienne Te Paea here. Today we're going to show you how to plant your veggie starts. So our plant of choice today is a tomato. First step is to prep your holes, obviously, so dig your holes, space them for tomatoes roughly 40 centimeters apart from the center. Second step is you're going to take the plant out of the pot, so turn it upside down. Pro. Next what we're going to do is you're going to place the plant into the hole, making sure it's centered, holding the stem upright, and then like so, cover it on top. Now what you can do is you can plant it right to the base of the first leaves, because actually from tomatoes they grow roots off the stems, so if you take the first leaves off and plant it up to it, it'll promote stronger root growth. From there we're just going to even out the soil around it, and voila, there you go. It's easy as that, whānau. Now get some water on it, so what we'll do is I'll get some wai. It's easy as that.